Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. We're so happy you're here. If you love woodworking, DIY home decor, rustic craftsmanship, and transforming old pieces of wood into beautiful works of art, you've come to the right place. Today, we're exploring the wonderful world of old wooden crafts, creative ideas for home decor. Instead of throwing away weathered boards, reclaimed timber, old furniture parts, and forgotten wooden treasures, you'll discover how these timeless materials can be turned into stunning decorations that bring warmth, personality, and natural beauty into any home. Whether you're an experienced woodworker or just beginning your woodworking journey, this video is filled with inspiration to help you see old wood in a completely new way. So grab your favorite cup of coffee, relax, and let's dive into the amazing possibilities hidden inside reclaimed wood. There is something truly magical about old wood. Every crack, knot, weathered edge, and faded grain tells a story that new lumber simply cannot replicate. Reclaimed wood carries the memories of old homes, barns, fences, factories, boats, and furniture that have stood through many seasons. Instead of viewing these aged materials as worn out, creative woodworkers recognize them as treasures waiting for a second life. When transformed into home decor, old wood creates pieces filled with warmth, authenticity, and character that instantly make a living space feel more welcoming. Modern homes often combine clean lines with natural textures, making reclaimed wood an ideal material for creating balance between contemporary style and rustic charm. One of the greatest joys of working with reclaimed wood is that every project becomes unique. No two boards are exactly alike. The grain patterns, nail holes, weathered colors, and natural imperfections ensure every finished piece has its own personality. A simple wooden wall panel made from reclaimed planks becomes a work of art because each piece contributes a different shade and texture. Some boards display beautiful silver gray weathering from years outdoors, while others reveal rich golden or deep brown tones hidden beneath the aged surface after careful sanding and finishing. These natural variations create visual interest that cannot be manufactured. Old wooden wall art remains one of the most popular ways to decorate modern homes. Woodworkers can arrange reclaimed boards into geometric patterns, mountain landscapes, abstract mosaics, sunburst designs, or layered three-dimensional sculptures that become eye-catching focal points. Mixing different wood species creates beautiful contrast while maintaining a natural appearance. Some artisans preserve the rough texture, while others sand selected sections smooth to create an interesting combination of rustic and refined finishes. The beauty of reclaimed wood lies in allowing the material itself to become part of the artistic expression. Floating shelves crafted from old beams offer both beauty and function. Thick reclaimed wood shelves mounted on hidden brackets provide space for books, plants, candles, family photographs, and decorative accessories while showcasing the wood's natural beauty. Even a single reclaimed shelf can completely transform an empty wall into an attractive display area. The visible grain, aged color, and handmade craftsmanship create a warm atmosphere that complements farmhouse, industrial, Scandinavian, rustic, bohemian, and even minimalist interior styles. Another creative idea involves transforming old wood into decorative picture frames. Rather than purchasing factory-made frames, woodworkers can cut reclaimed boards into rustic borders that highlight treasured family memories, artwork, or inspirational quotes. Preserving old nail holes, weathered paint, or naturally distressed surfaces adds authenticity and charm. Every frame becomes a conversation piece while celebrating both craftsmanship and family history. Old wooden crates also offer endless possibilities for creative home decor. With a little sanding and finishing, vintage crates become attractive storage boxes, coffee tables, bedside stands, wall-mounted shelves, toy organizers, or indoor plant displays. Their original markings, faded lettering, and worn textures preserve the history of the wood while serving practical everyday purposes. These versatile projects require relatively simple woodworking skills, yet deliver impressive decorative results. Wooden candle holders crafted from reclaimed timber create cozy lighting throughout the home. Thick blocks of aged wood can be drilled to hold tea lights or pillar candles, producing beautiful centerpieces for dining tables, fireplaces, or shelves. When candlelight reflects across the natural grain of old wood, it creates a comforting atmosphere perfect for relaxing evenings with family and friends. Some woodworkers incorporate live edges, bark, or natural cracks that enhance the rustic appearance without compromising safety. Old wooden ladders have become increasingly popular as decorative accents. Instead of discarding worn ladders, creative homeowners transform them into blanket racks, towel holders, plant displays, or seasonal decorating stands. Leaning gently against a wall, an old wooden ladder instantly adds farmhouse charm while providing useful storage. The weathered finish tells a story that modern furniture simply cannot imitate. Reclaimed wood also makes exceptional dining table centerpieces. Handmade trays, serving boards, decorative boxes, and flower planters crafted from old lumber bring natural elegance to everyday meals and special celebrations alike. Pairing reclaimed wood with greenery, candles, dried flowers, or ceramic decorations creates timeless displays that remain stylish throughout every season. The combination of handcrafted artistry and natural materials helps create a welcoming dining experience where family and guests feel comfortable and relaxed. For woodworking enthusiasts seeking larger projects, reclaimed wood accent walls offer dramatic visual impact. Installing carefully arranged weathered boards behind a television, bed, fireplace, or dining area transforms ordinary rooms into extraordinary spaces filled with texture and warmth. Mixing various board widths and natural colors creates depth without requiring elaborate finishes. The aged appearance instantly gives the room a sense of history and craftsmanship that cannot be achieved using synthetic materials. Old wooden doors provide another remarkable source of creative inspiration. Instead of allowing antique doors to decay, they can be repurposed as headboards, dining tables, sliding barn doors, mirrors, wall decor, or entryway benches. Original hardware, carved details, and weathered paint often become beautiful design features that preserve the character of the original piece while serving a completely new purpose inside today's homes. Small woodworking projects using reclaimed wood are equally rewarding. Handmade coasters, key holders, mail organizers, cutting boards, serving trays, wall hooks, tissue box covers, and decorative signs make thoughtful gifts while allowing woodworkers to practice joinery, finishing, and design skills. These smaller projects also maximize the use of leftover wood scraps, reducing waste while encouraging creativity. Many woodworkers enjoy combining reclaimed wood with metal for an industrial-inspired aesthetic. Black steel brackets, iron pipe legs, antique hardware, and forged handles create striking contrasts against warm wooden surfaces. Coffee tables, bookshelves, benches, wine racks, and console tables built using this combination blend rustic charm with contemporary design, making them suitable for modern homes as well as traditional interiors. Natural finishes play an important role in highlighting reclaimed wood's beauty. Instead of covering the wood with heavy paint, many craftsmen prefer clear oils, waxes, or matte protective coatings that preserve the grain, texture, and weathered appearance. These finishes protect the wood while allowing its authentic character to remain visible. Some projects intentionally retain old paint layers, provided they are safe and stable, adding colorful vintage appeal that reflects decades of history. Working with reclaimed wood also supports environmental sustainability. Every project reduces demand for newly harvested lumber while preventing valuable materials from ending up in landfills. Recycling wood conserves natural resources, reduces waste, and encourages responsible craftsmanship. Many woodworkers find great satisfaction knowing their beautiful creations contribute to a more sustainable future while preserving pieces of history for future generations. Patience remains one of the most valuable skills when creating old wooden crafts. Each reclaimed board deserves careful inspection for hidden nails, screws, cracks, or structural weaknesses before cutting or assembly begins. Cleaning, drying, sanding, and preparing the material properly ensures the finished project remains durable and safe. Although reclaimed wood often requires additional preparation compared to new lumber, the final results more than justify the extra effort. Creativity has no limits when designing with old wood. Some artisans carve intricate patterns into reclaimed boards, while others incorporate resin, stained glass, epoxy, mosaic tiles, leather, rope, or natural stone. Mixing materials thoughtfully creates one-of-a-kind works of art that reflect personal style while honoring traditional woodworking techniques. Every finished project represents both imagination and respect for the history contained within the reclaimed wood itself. Perhaps the greatest reward of old wooden crafts is the emotional connection they create. Handmade decor carries meaning because every cut, joint, and finish reflects the time, care, and dedication invested by the maker. Family members often treasure these handcrafted pieces for generations, passing them from one home to another as lasting reminders of creativity and craftsmanship. Unlike mass-produced furniture, handmade reclaimed wood decor continues telling its story long after it leaves the workshop. Whether displayed in a cozy cottage, modern apartment, country farmhouse, or urban loft, reclaimed wooden crafts possess timeless appeal that never goes out of style. Their natural beauty, sustainable origins, and handcrafted quality remind us that the most meaningful decorations are often those created with patience, imagination, and respect for nature. Every weathered board offers another opportunity to create something extraordinary from materials others might overlook. As your woodworking skills grow, so will your ability to transform forgotten wood into heirloom-quality decor that inspires everyone who enters your home. Thank you so much for watching. We hope these inspiring old wooden craft ideas have sparked your creativity and encouraged you to give reclaimed wood a beautiful new purpose. Remember, every old piece of wood has a story, and with your imagination and woodworking skills, you can turn it into something truly special for your home. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest woodworking and home decor inspiration. Share your favorite reclaimed wood projects in the comments. We'd love to see what you're creating. Until next time, stay creative, work safely, and keep building beautiful things from the timeless beauty of wood. Happy woodworking!